Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good time.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important.
Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. Capture the good times.
It didn't start well with the slowest service ever, but culminated when I got on my flight and realized that I had paid. It's funny how everyone has the same issue regarding your service. Nurture the sensation of happiness and love. Feel yourself gently. Welcome to Platform Mastery, your ultimate destination for quick and insightful how-to videos. In each bite-sized 1 to 3 minute episode, we unravel the secrets of various applications and social media platforms, empowering you with the skills you need to navigate the digital landscape with confidence. Join us on a journey of discovery as we unlock the mysteries of modern technology and help you become a true master of the digital realm. What you are waiting for? Subscribe us now.